Amazon just released that only 5% of influencers are using all the features inside their storefronts. So that means that most people are missing out on big chances to connect with their audience and increase sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to your Amazon storefront page using a computer and a cell phone. But I'm also going to show you how to create idea lists, add photos, curation lists, and live streaming. If you're wanting to learn how to get into the program or to scale your earnings, join my free community and course, and the link down below in the description where I have a free course that will show you how to get approved into the program and how to scale your earnings. So please join me down in there, and the first 100 members to 1,000 members will get free lifetime access to all of the content. Now, between all the types of content that you can upload onto your storefront, shoppable videos will 100% help you make the most money inside the Amazon influencers. Why exactly? Because you make a video once, you tag it to a specific product listing on Amazon, and it's viewed by thousands of online shoppers a day. So shoppable videos really are more than just eye candy. It's a direct path and a connection to sales and more commissions. Because of that, I'm going to first show you the fastest way to upload product review videos on your computer and on your cell phone. Okay, once I come inside my storefront, I'm going to come here on the top left where it says create content and click post video and photo. Next, I'm going to drag or upload my product review video. So I'll click that. Here's my video. And as it's uploading, I'm going to tag the product. This is really, really important. And here's a tip. You don't want to tag more than one product. As long as you just only tag one product, Amazon will organically and on its own algorithm, they're going to take your one review video and place it on the multiple product review or product listings. Okay. A mistake that I made early on was taking one review video and tagging like 13 products. And I realized over a few weeks, none of them were appearing on any of them. So I just stick with one. Okay. And there's a few ways you could do that. You can access the product via idea list, recent orders, browse history, or subscriptions. I typically just do the browse history and it's right here. Another quick tip, let's say it's not on your browse history, you could search for it by the title, or a best way and the best thing to do is by product ASIN. ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number, and it's always in the URL and it starts with B0 and it's usually about 9 digits. So I can copy that, paste, here it is, add product. So I definitely know I'm tagging this with the right product. Next, I'm going to add a title. Let's do honest review of this jump starter kit. Okay. You can add a thumbnail. You don't have to. I tend to like to. I don't know if it makes a difference. I kind of think it does. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but I just recommend it. There's no bad in doing it. And then we click submit post. That's the easiest way to upload on your computer. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload via your mobile phone, which is perfect because that way you can do quick product review videos using your cell phone and a mini tripod like this, or maybe like a neck recorder like this. Record it and then upload it directly onto Amazon using your phone on the Amazon app, which is awesome. So you don't have to come onto Amazon. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I just did a quick review of this giant tripod. So I'm going to pull up the Amazon app on my phone and I'm going to the bottom, click that person button, and then click Creator Central. Now, once I'm here at the very top, I'm going to click Create Content, Post Video, and then go to my library, click my video, and then click Done on the top right. And then it's going to upload. Next, I need to tag the product correctly. So I can do that by any of these 4 things. But I'm going to go to Browse History and I'm going to type in the product itself. So this is a Joby tripod. There it is. I'm going to scroll down, make sure I tag the correct product itself, and then hit Add Product. There we go on the right. Once it's add, I'm going to add a title. So for this one, I'll just put Joby Tripod Full Review. And this is so nice because I could just record any kind of review and then upload it directly from my phone and then submit. And there we go. A couple more tips with the titles and captions because they matter too. And that's to make them very descriptive and searchable. So instead of like new blender, try something like high speed smoothie maker for busy mornings, something like that, something that's captivating. Okay. Because in your caption, when you explain the benefits, like how will this product make someone's life easier or better? Like when you think like that, you're going to get a lot more clicks and commissions, because the goal really is to create a visual story to your audience, okay? So that they can see themselves in it, all right? So show the product being used in real life situations, like, for workout gear, show it in action, like show it at the gym. And if your face is in the video and you're actually doing it, a lot more likely that people will watch and your whole video and you're going to get the commission. That's my recommendation with the photos. So now let's talk about idealists. Now, here's the thing. Most influencers aren't really using idealists, right? Or not really utilizing them at all, or just don't really know how to use them. So you might think that like tossing random products into idealists or collections is enough, but really idealist is basically a collection of products that you're thinking of buying, okay? And you can categorize these however you want, but either you want to showcase what you're thinking of buying, or you really just want to refer more products to your audience in case you're tied to a specific niche. So I'm going to give you an example of how to create an idealist and how to add products to them, okay? Now keep in mind that idealists are different than curations, okay? I'm going to get to curations after this, but to create an idealist, we're going to click create content, idealist, and then come up with a good title. Don't just put like books, okay? I'm going to put top 10 entrepreneur or biographies. Then for my description, here are my favorite entrepreneur biographies I've read in my life so far. My most favorite book is at the top, but I highly recommend all of them. What's really cool about idealists is you don't have to leave a review about these, okay? You literally can just like scroll on Amazon and just find different products, put them in your idealist. No one clicks your product in your idealist, you got the commish, okay? So that's pretty awesome. I like to use idealists or products genuinely that I'm either thinking about reviewing or that I potentially want to buy, or if I want to buy and review for my audience specifically. That's how we create it. And then next, I'm going to click add products. And I was just looking at a couple books. So I want to add all of these. Out of all of these, my favorite is this one by far. And then I really like this one by Elon Musk. And then this one by Sam Walton. This one by Ray Kroc is really good. And these are also really good too. Once I added all of these, believe I added all of them, I'm going to click done. There is my list. Now I can add a description if I want. The most inspiring story I've ever read, which is genuinely the truth. It is the most inspiring story I've ever read. And then let's click submit. Now, idealist is approved and it'll be published. And then we'll click close. And then let's go back to my homepage. After a couple seconds, let's click refresh. And there's our idealist. Perfect. Next thing I want to talk about are curations. Curations is where you can bundle together your product review videos that you've already posted. Okay. So it's just kind of like categorizing them and kind of cleaning up your storefront if you want to make it a little more organized. For example, in this curation, I have a lot of posts and reviews about protein powders, protein bars, all that junk that I really, really love to eat. Okay. And it's pretty easy to do this. One thing that you can do is if you want, you can click edit, you can click manage posts, and you could search throughout all of your content in order from what you posted as of recently and add your product review videos onto here. That's the easiest way to do it. I would highly recommend this way more than just going through your storefront, adding a review video here. So if I wanted to, I can add this curation, add a curation to camping and outdoors. So I want to do that. But every time I do it, it like refreshes the page and it kind of just doesn't make it super fast. And so I highly recommend creating a curation right here, title, caption, and then add post through that way. That's my recommendation with curations because that's really, really how you can professionalize your storefront. Now, the last thing I'm going to talk about, aside from posting and adding photos, which is the same way that you can add videos, is live streaming. To be completely honest with you, I haven't done a ton of live streaming quite yet because I'm really focused on just doing more and more product review videos because that's what will earn more and more commissions. But I was looking on here, I've looked on here a lot of times. Amazon has really, really good content and information about live streaming. So if I scroll all the way down onto this page, and if I go back, it shows you and it gives you a lot of tips on how to do live streaming and how to actually post. So let's click get started. And where we scroll down right here, there's tutorials about doing live streaming. Okay, right here. So engaging your following during the live stream, doing like a broadcast, you can repost onto your YouTube channel if you'd like to. But it's pretty awesome. Okay, I think that live streaming is a great opportunity, but I do think that just staying really focused on one form of content to post onto your storefront will earn you the maximum earnings. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful for you. If so, hit the like button to help with the algorithm so that you can get more content about that I post about the Amazon Influencer Program and how to help you make more money through this program. And please subscribe if this content, like I said, has been helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.